Hello everybody. Today we're going to do almond shape. The length here is 2 lengths of the nail plate, and I definitely need photos from you before and after applying gel. Photos with the nail form, how you fix it, and let's start. The nail grows almost straight here. It is just a little bit curved. We do dry manicure here. We apply nail prep, Ultra Bond, which is our non-acid primer, and we let it dry for 1 minute on the air. Then we apply base gel or medium base gel. It doesn't matter which one you take. So the main thing you want to learn from this lesson is how to fix nail forms perfectly. That's why the first lesson from this part of the course is very important. So I apply base gel, and we're going to try the nail forms here. So we try the nail form to check whether we need to cut it. So we give it a bit of a bend. It should not be flat when you try it. The sides are not so big here, the sides of the finger. That's why I will cut it slightly from both sides and try it once again. For almond shape, we should tilt the nail form downward. Otherwise, it won't be beautiful. The nail won't be beautiful. So we see that everything is perfect fit here. So we fix the nail form. And we pinch together the tabs. And we pinch the nail form under the finger. And the nail form should be narrower than the nail plate. And pay attention to the tabs. They cover each other. It means that the nail form goes downward, slightly downward. I'm going to take acrygel cover for the free edge. I like to work with acrygel because it's easier to work with it, and we will not have to file the free edge a lot, just slightly. And it is not difficult to do such nails. And we should always check the growing points and try to make the edges even so that we won't have to file them a lot. So I take orange stick and I try to stretch the acrygel very neatly. And I check the growing points here and I pull the acrygel to the growing points. And we also press the surface, and we can also take the oval brush, rinse it in a cleansing spray, and pull acrygel slightly to make the tip of the free edge thinner. And we don't need too much acrygel here. Maybe you remember that for square shape, we took more acrygel on the free edge. For almond shape, we don't take too much. And most of the product should be in the center. So we cure it in lamp for 30 seconds. and press it from both sides with our fingers and cure it for 1.5 minutes more. And when we like everything here, we press it once again and open the tabs and check the side view, the top view. And if we add more material, we can add it here now. But we like everything here, and I take soft pink gel for sculpting the surface, or you can also take acry gel, but it's quicker to work with gel in this case because it's self-leveling. It's just easier to work with it. Now it is warm outside, the weather is good, the weather is warm, and products can be softer and more liquid than usual. That's why we should work quicker. We turn over the finger, and before putting it into the lamp, we should check, and the gel should go down a little bit. We wait for 2 seconds and put it into the lamp. We cure it in lamp. And look, the customer touched the gloves, and therefore gel sticks out from the left side. And what am I doing here? I'm going to apply a thin layer of soft pink gel, not close to the cuticle, just to make sure that I have enough product on the nail. And I cure it once again, degrease it, and begin to file. I'm going to speed up the video because it's already familiar to you. We file the first filing line, lateral parallel lines. It's the top view. We narrow the free edge slightly. After that, we file the tip of the free edge. It's a second filing line. Then we file the third filing line. We file from growing points till the end of the free edge. The fourth filing line, it is when we hold the nail file straight under the free edge and check whether all points of the free edge lie on one line. If not, we file them again. We check the end view also. Then we file the surface. We file the faces again. We file in the middle and from both sides, and then we round them off. We file from one growing point till another growing point. And the free edge should be thin here. We should also file near the cuticle. We file it slightly from both sides, and we do not touch the cuticle. If we want to return to any of these lines, to any of these filing lines, we can do it. So I return to the third filing line if I need. Because I need to file from the right side slightly. So if we like everything here, we polish with soft file the whole surface. I want to draw French manicure here again, and for French manicure we should polish very good from both sides. So we wipe off the dust and let's check. The widest part is at the growing points. The growing point and the point above is the highest point of the surface. You should see it. The line should be straight, starting from the growing points till the end of the free edge. It is all very important. And you see that the free edge is thin, but the nail will be very strong here. We divide the free edge into 2 parts again, and we draw a line. For this shape, the French manicure will be like and acute part of the egg. We pull the gel polish till the growing points, and it is better not to draw with a brush from the bottle. That's why I always draw with a thin brush and then I change it to the beveled brush, because gel polishes usually have very thick consistency and they are good for drawing French manicure, but I will pull the gel polish with a beveled brush, because if you take the brush from the bottle, it will be very thick, like the layer will be very thick. We cure it in lamp and apply the second layer, and we cure it for another 30 seconds in a strong lamp. If your lamp is weak, you should cure it for at least 2 minutes. I also decided to add glitter here. I take our confetti set. I take orange color, and the sparkles here all have different size. We took this confetti set already for square shaped nails, but in different color. You know, these sparkles will be very good both for winter and summer period of the year, and customers like them very, very much. The only thing is that we have to separate them here to break them and spread them neatly all over the French manicure. We cure them for 30 seconds. And we're going to apply our top Ultra Shine Top Gel. We apply it close to the cuticle and pull it from the right and from the left sides with the corner of the brush. Pay attention to this. For this length, we should add more top gel in the middle and turn over the finger so that it could spread evenly. Because we have French manicure here, two layers of it. We have glitter here. We cure it for 2 minutes. So I need photos from you. Almond shape, the nail form should be applied narrower than the nail plate, and I want to see the result. Don't be afraid, it's easy and beautiful, and good luck to all of you.